Hello everyone, at nandito tayo sa Manila Auto Salon, Day 3. At syempre kasama natin si Sir Yolab. Then, and next is, what makes you happy, ma'am?
Ikaw. Charing! Joke lang. Baka mag si Athena.
Oo,
Charing.
love you, Athena.
Ano bang tanong ulit?
What makes you happy, ma'am?
Food.
Then, ma'am, ayun, advance Merry Christmas.
Ano ba to? Oh my God.
Sana magustuhan nyo.
Rolex.
Then, syempre, at meron tayo question and answer. At bago natin simulan, outfit check muna kay ma'am, Athena. Yan. Rate nyo guys, from 1 to 10 kung nagustuhan nyo. Para sa akin, perfect 10 talaga si Athena. Then, syempre guys, wala na,
Bias yun ah.
wala na, kinilig na ako.
Balik.
Syempre, oops. Advance happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay. Ano?
Sorry, sir.
Bakit?
Hello everyone, at nandito
Alright!
tayo sa Manila Auto Salon. At syempre kasama natin si Boss Toyo, ang nag-iisang Pawn Star, Pinoy Pawn Star.